Hi. After another hideous day where everybody's terrified of a slowdown in the global commerce, we need to circle the wagons around some secular growth stories that really don't need a booming economy to do any work. Which brings me to Okta. That's a cloud-based enterprise software company that helps other businesses protect their networks from being infiltrated, yes, by hackers. Something that's not going away even in the face of a worldwide slowdown, maybe even increasing. Okta handles everything related to your login and verification credentials. Think usernames, passwords, and your mother's maiden name, your first car, your first job, of course, your favorite pet. This cloud prince reported a fantastic quarter last week. Yes, it's a cloud prince. Just a monster top and bottom line beat, with management raising their full-year guidance. Okta stock had been gutted previously by the market-wide meltdown, but it quickly came roaring back from its lows, and it's up a quick $9 since we last spoke to the CEO just 2 months ago. So could it have more upside here, or is this market just too powerful and treacherous? Let's check in with Todd McKinnon. He's the co-founder, chairman, and CEO of Okta. Get a better sense of how his company's doing and where it is headed. Mr. McKinnon, welcome back to Mad Money.
Thank you very much for having me. It's great to be back on Mad Money.
All right, Todd. When you get revenue growth of plus 50%, when you break through $100 million in a quarter, which I don't think people realize how hard it is to do, I got to give you the floor because I got to find out how you did it.
Yeah, well, it was 58%, so we're very proud of it. And I think you teed it up in the intro, which is there are these big secular trends. I mean, cloud computing is a huge deal. And every company trying to be a technology company themselves is a huge deal. I mean, I'm sure you guys reported earlier this week, the #1 app in the App Store is now Burger King. So Burger King made a mobile app, and now they're taking share from McDonald's because of their mobile app. And now what do you think McDonald's is going to do, right? Now they have to build a mobile app. So even companies you wouldn't think of as tech companies have to be like tech companies. And then the other thing is they have to do it securely. And when you take the cloud and you take the architecture of the network shifting fundamentally, securing it all is harder than ever before. And we can help customers do all three, which is why, as the market can go up and down, these secular tailwinds are very powerful for our business.
Well, I got to tell you, one company that I admire greatly, my charitable trust owns, is Microsoft. You know, Microsoft tells me they've got great stuff. It seems like on a one-to-one basis, though, you're winning against them.
Yeah, I mean, so the big difference between us and a company like Microsoft is we don't have a particular platform that we're trying to connect users to. We want to connect users to every technology that's the best for them, whether it's Salesforce or Workday or Amazon Web Services or Google or Office 365. So our value to customers is about neutrality. So we keep it neutral, we give the customers choice, and they can choose what's best for them and their business. So when they want to go out and build the great mobile app to change their fortunes, when they want to keep it secure, when they want to make their employees more productive, they can use the best technology possible. It doesn't have to come from a certain vendor, and that's really the key to our success.
All right, so I shop at Albertsons when I'm out west. They are a client of yours. What do you do for Albertsons?
So we're really excited about Albertsons. It's a newer customer for us, but they are fully live and deployed on the Identity Cloud. So this is not a new win before they go live. This is actually a live, successful customer, which is very important to us. Over 30 million consumers log into their portal to essentially redeem coupons. Oh. So coupon offers, and they can get discounts at stores. They do that online now, of course, like everything else is going online. And Okta is the login, the identity and security layer for that portal. So it's driving incredible customer benefits for Albertsons customers and for the organization itself.
Okay, my wife got a note this weekend. It's saying, listen, we're really sorry. You're a Marriott Rewards person. You've been hacked. We're going to try to do our best. Yeah. Is there any way you can get in there now to make it so that someone isn't stealing my wife's identity?
Well, it starts with protecting the data so we can avoid these breaches from happening. And it's a very vast conversation about how to do that. But if you boil it all down, especially from an investor perspective, what you should think about is the architecture of IT is fundamentally shifting. We're moving from really a network-based security model to now the network doesn't matter as much because you may be accessing a website from your hotel room, from your office, from a coffee shop, from your phone. Every network is the network, and so there's this term in the industry called zero trust. So don't trust the network. Have individual-based security and policies at a detailed level that will protect you no matter what network you're on. Mm-hmm. And we're right at the center of that because we provide this identity cloud, and identity being pervasive in solving this problem, it's what's driving our success.
Well, I want to congratulate you. I know that getting to that first 100 million in a quarter is extraordinary. You've got some very big competitors. Obviously, you've got great partnerships, VMware partnership. You're doing so much that's right. That's Todd McKinnon. He's the co-founder and CEO of Okta. Look, in a better market, this thing would be up substantially. It's just holding its own, which actually, after today, ain't that bad. Mad Money's back after the break. Booyah! Jim Cramer here from Mad Money. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube. Click here to subscribe and get the jump on my exclusives with CEOs, plus market news, investing advice, and a whole lot more.